Hello everyone, I am Takashi Miyashita, President and CEO of One Career. Thank you for joining us today. I will now present our financial results. First, let me explain our mission. We aim to create as many careers as there are people. For most people, work is where they invest the majority of their time in life. However, it is really difficult to find data helping with the selection of one's work. We believe the core challenge is the lack of such data. We are committed to revolutionizing the recruitment market in an ever-diversifying society by embracing the careers of all individuals and unifying career data. And now let's walk through our financial highlights. First is our financial summary. I will go into details in the following slides. In fiscal year 2025, both net sales and profits exceeded our full-year forecasts. Our KPIs also progressed steadily. The number of new corporate clients grew significantly, with the cumulative number of corporate clients increasing by 46.5% year-on-year to reach 6,290 companies. Our user base also expanded steadily, with the cumulative number of members up 18.6% year-on-year, reaching 2.3 million users. Regarding shareholder returns, we are targeting a dividend payout ratio of 30% and have approved a second dividend increase for the fiscal year end. Furthermore, we have steadily executed our strategic initiatives, ranking first as the top career site for STEM students, hosting a major HR conference, and completing our first group acquisition. Let's look now at the full-year consolidated highlights. Starting from the fiscal year ending December 2025, we will move to consolidated financial reporting. Driven by robust business growth, we have achieved our 10th consecutive year of revenue growth and 6th consecutive year of operating income growth, reaching a new record high. Regarding the consolidated P&L, net sales increased by 40.3% year-on-year, and operating income grew by 64.2% year-on-year. The respective figures are 7.5 billion yen for net sales and 2.1 billion for operating income. Regarding our consolidated balance sheet, we maintain a high cash position and a strong equity ratio supported by our robust business performance. In terms of consolidated cash flow, free cash flow increased 74.8% year-on-year. We continue to maintain a strong capacity for free cash flow generation. Regarding capital efficiency, our net assets and total assets have expanded through steady growth. Return on equity stands at 31.4% and return on assets at 21.9%, both remaining at high levels. This slide shows our revenue, operating income, and margin trends. We achieved significant growth this period, with revenue up 40.3% and operating income up 64.2% year-on-year. Our 5-year revenue CAGR stands at 40.4%, demonstrating our ability to maintain a consistent balance between top-line growth and profitability. In the fourth quarter, growth was driven by job postings and direct sourcing services. Net sales increased by 35% year-on-year, achieving 1.99 billion yen. Operating income grew in line with sales, finishing with a 76.7% year-on-year, reaching 450 million yen. Next is the operating income bridge. By optimizing investment efficiency in S&M and G&A, we continue to deliver high operating margins. Here is the operating expenses summary. While we are ramping up investment in organizational expansion, we remain committed to a disciplined growth model, balancing top-line expansion with bottom-line profitability. We continue to strategically expand our workforce to drive future growth while simultaneously improving per-employee productivity. As of year-end 2025, our consolidated headcount reached 295. We expect to scale to approximately 390 employees by the end of December 2026. Moving on to our cumulative client growth. We have maintained a steady pace of new customer acquisition, growing 46.5% year-over-year to reach a total of 6,290 corporate clients. Turning to our user growth for new graduate services. Our platform, One Career, continues to see high engagement levels, with approximately 2/3 of all university graduates in Japan now using the service. Moving to our key highlights, categorized by the full year and the fourth quarter. For the full year, One Career secured the #1 ranking as the most used career site among STEM students for the first time. We also hosted Recruitment Ultra Camp, our large-scale HR conference, finalized the acquisition of Light Roads, and expanded our sales offices and headquarters. It has been a year of significant growth for both our business and our organization. In the fourth quarter specifically, our corporate client base surpassed 6,000 companies, and we have committed to increasing starting salaries for our 2027 new graduates. Next, regarding the revision to our fiscal year 2025 dividend. In line with our 30% payout ratio target, we have approved a dividend increase for December 2025. The dividend per share will be 25 yen, a 4 yen increase over our previous forecast. We remain committed to delivering stable and consistent shareholder returns alongside sustainable profit growth. Finally, I'd like to share our business plan with you. Moving to our fiscal year 2026 consolidated guidance. We are projecting revenue of 10.5 billion yen, up 38.6% year over year, and operating income of 3 billion yen, a 41% increase. This plan ensures we will achieve the midterm business targets we set during our IPO in 2021. This slide outlines our fiscal year 2025 performance and our strategic focus for fiscal year 2026. In 2025, we focused on the following 4 key areas: reinforcing our category leadership, leveraging generative AI, expanding our product portfolio, and enhancing customer satisfaction. Looking ahead to 2026, we will prioritize the following 3 core pillars: continuously scaling the value of our new graduate business, maximizing synergies within our mid-career segment, and driving group synergies through integration. Next, I would like to outline our medium-term targets. By fiscal year 2030, we aim to achieve 35 billion yen in revenue and 10 billion yen in EBITDA. By segment, we are targeting 30 billion yen from our new graduate business and 5 billion yen from our mid-career business. We also intend to maintain an ROE and EBITDA margin of 25% or higher annually. By prioritizing capital efficiency, we will continue to deliver a sustainable balance between top-line growth and profitability. Next, let's look at our market growth potential. Both the new graduate and mid-career segments are expanding, offering significant growth upside. Our long-term vision is to leverage our proprietary career data to expand across all HR verticals and into adjacent business areas. Next, let me share our strategic roadmap for expansion. With AI as our core foundation, we will scale the business across 3 key dimensions: our platform ecosystem, our product portfolio, and our corporate client base. Next, let's look at the growth potential of our new graduate business. Relative to our high student registration numbers, our current corporate penetration and revenue capture remain in the early stages, representing significant untapped upside. By fiscal year 2030, we are targeting 20,000 cumulative corporate clients and 30 billion yen in revenue. Next are strategic synergies between the new graduate and mid-career segments. By leveraging our robust user and client foundations, we are able to funnel users and companies into our mid-career business at near zero acquisition cost. This allows us to rapidly scale our career data platform while maintaining high capital efficiency. Next, our policy on shareholder returns. Our primary focus is prioritizing growth investments to drive EPS expansion, which in turn fuels mid to long-term share price appreciation and maximizes total shareholder return. Alongside this growth, our fundamental policy is to deliver stable and consistent returns, targeting a consolidated dividend payout ratio of 30%. That concludes today's presentation. We look forward to another year of strong performance and steady execution. Thank you very much for your time and continued support.